Hello, this is Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor aboard Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Join me as we tour a family infinite ocean view balcony, stateroom number 9292. Your light and temperature controls are right as you walk in. I just love how bright and airy this stateroom is, and you're going to love the bunk beds. Just to the left is where you'll find the first unique aspect of this stateroom category. There is a separate kids' room with 2 bunks, each with their own lights and televisions. Let's check out the second unique feature, a split bathroom, allowing more than one person to get ready at the same time. Please be mindful that the only amenities provided are bar soap and a hair body wash combo. Next up, the closet with a full-length mirror that opens. Here you'll find shelves and the safe. A small laptop does not fit in this safe. You've also got wire baskets and plenty of hangers. I just love how bright and airy this stateroom is. This room has extra hooks, and the backlighting is a great touch. This is a Royal King bed, but if you prefer, you can arrange to have the beds separated into 2 twins. You'll love that the beds are raised, providing the perfect place to store your large luggage. There are bedside lamps and outlets on each side of the bed. The vanity area offers even more storage. This is where you'll find the hairdryer and drink cooler. And the third amazing feature of this stateroom is the infinite balcony allowing for indoor-outdoor living. There are blackout curtains, and the control panel raises and lowers the window panel, creating your infinite balcony. When you're ready to sail aboard Icon of the Seas, please reach out. I'd love to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun travel adventures.